Hello everybody, I am Buck WSR Weezer, working today in collaboration with Fix This House. That's a channel run by a really good friend of mine. And our project today is replacing the shower head. And it's not going to be a hard one. We're going to put up today this Glacier Bay handheld shower that we picked up at the Horse Depot. And this is, the instructions are laid out here. You get the handheld wand, the hose, and the connector. And this can be a no tools required install, but you might need a small wrench because sometimes if you got arthritis fingers or you just want to make it a little bit tighter, a small wrench might help. Also some Teflon tape can be a good option.
Plumber's tape?
This is called Teflon tape, used for plumbing. And we'll probably use a little bit of that. All right, so let's get started. First is you take down the old one. Now, if that's on there pretty tight, again, a wrench might be helpful. Ours is not on tight. I've already cracked it loose. So that just unscrews. Now, a lot of times these shower heads don't require that you use Teflon tape, but it looks like I did previously when I installed this one, because most of them have a rubber washer. And with that, you don't really need the Teflon tape, but I'm going to use a little bit of it anyway, just for good measure.
Hang on. Okay.
All right. Yeah, I'm putting it on the wrong way. I always do that.
There's a front and a back?
Well, you know you're going to put your new shower head on, righty-tighty.
So you want to wrap it around clockwise?
Yeah.
Okay.
I always put it on wrong, realize it, and then take it off and try again. It's no big deal. So 2 or 3 wraps of that, and we'll be good to go. All right, so I've reviewed the instructions. Next, we're going to put on this piece that connects right up at the shower head, and they don't want you to use tools, so they're telling you in more than one language, hand tighten only. La mano aprieta solamente. Well, you know what I think about that. I think the sticker should come off. It's leaving some of the residue behind. But apparently they mean it. All right, we'll get the rest of that off later. Okay. So this part actually splits in 2. So let's go ahead and put this guy on next. And like I said, there's that rubber washer in there. So the Teflon tape is just for good measure. All right, so that's hand tight. Put this guy back up. Like so. But I do want to take my small channel locks there and give it just a little bit more than hand tight. Now, the directions will say, oh, you're voiding the warranty. Well, maybe. But I just want a little bit tighter than my 53-year-old fingers can do by themselves. Oh, it's still turning. I'll bet that's good. All right, so this nozzle's coming down. We go next to get the hose. I've already connected the hose to the handheld wand. And now, this also has that black rubber washer. I'm not going to use any Teflon tape on that. And this guy is just going on hand tight. Okay. So this is the handheld option, if you like that. The result of this is now that in this low ceiling, basically it's going to be coming straight down.
Could be good. Should we try it?
Yeah, we'll try it. And of course you can always lift it off for your own convenience. Yeah, and you know the result of this is it just gets more water all over the bathroom. All right, so let's close that shower curtain a bit and we'll try it out. All right, it's a beautiful thing. So if you like it coming straight down from overhead, this is going to be good. In your shower, you might have a higher ceiling in which you can get it to angle out more than we're able to do here.
Thing for adjusting the spray.
It does. Oh, wow. Couple of different, 3 different options. Oh, I like that one. All right, my friends, and that's all there is to it, installing a new shower head. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.